Hi, we are Team Huawei.
Today we are going to talk about the subsidiary company in Australia of Huawei. Firstly, the sales of telecommunication infrastructure in Australia grew by 40%, and the total sales value is $55 billion in the year of Huawei first entered into the Australian market. By 2015, Optus and Telstra is the major market share in Australia. Overall, the telecommunication industry in Australia is a growing market, and it is expected to constant growth by 1.5% annually.
Huawei entered into Australia telecommunication market by have partnership with Optus. After that, Huawei keeps the partnership model with many local companies. For example, according to the annual report 2011, Huawei signed the biggest contract with Vodafone. It makes Huawei largely improving its operation in Australia.
From the institution's perspective, Huawei's development was restricted. Government banned Huawei from NBN project due to the national security issue. But there are some positive effects. In Australia, Huawei could learn how to cooperate with local government in advanced country. In Australia right now, Huawei started to list some detailed information in their annual report, which they didn't do that in China, never. And this increasing level of transparency will help Huawei go further.
Smartphones are becoming increasingly in Australia with 67.2% of the total population. They have the three main players in Australia mobile phone market, which is the Apple, Samsung, and Huawei. In 2016, Samsung makes 22%, Apple makes 40%, Huawei makes 9% sales revenue in Australia market.
Huawei's smartphone sold well in the Australian market in 2006. It gives Huawei an 8.4% market share in Australian market and giving it that prize the number 3 ranking according to Huawei's Mobile Australia. It has reported a revenue of 11.8 million for this year, and representing around a 14% increase revenue for the last year, which is met the sustainable growth target by the board of director in the 2016.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.